Hi guys, this is Helen from Vivne. In this video, I will show you how to dismantle the original BMWi3 battery pack. These are all the accessories which we will use later. For this cable, we have shipped as accessories which will be used later. Use the S2 T30 socket to remove the screws at the edge of the battery case. Continue to use the S2 T30 socket to dismantle the screws in the middle of the battery case. Now the battery case cover can be removed now. Remove the thermal layer. Some original pack have this layer, some don't have. Use the S2 T20 socket to dismantle the fixing screws for SME. The SME had been removed. Now start to disconnect all the power cables for the modules. First, start from the back rear. Then disconnect the power cables for the other modules. Use 10mm socket to remove the fixture between all the modules. Now we label on each module. Please label according to this diagram. Start to remove the CSC single plug on each module. Also first remove the CSC single plug from the back rear modules and label on each single plug accordingly. The label on the CSC single plug need to be corresponding to the label on the module. All the labels we had shipped as accessories. Remove the original car signal harness. Now remove the CSC on each module. Once remove one CSC, then label on it according to the label on the module. The label on the CSC and the label on the module should be matched. Use the 10mm socket to remove the fixing screws on each module. Now lift out all the modules on the pallet. Remove the power cable at the rear module. This power cable will be used later when assembling the new modules. It can be used as the new power cable. Okay, now this battery case can be used to assemble the new battery modules. Make sure there is no screws left or accessories left in the empty battery case.